Have you ever really stopped to think about where your body gets its energy? I mean, beyond just, what you eat.
Right, like how does it actually work, taking all these different things?
Exactly. How does it take, say, a donut or um, bacon and turn it all into the same basic fuel that your cells actually use?
It's pretty amazing when you think about it.
It really is. It feels like there must be some kind of, I don't know, central molecule, like a hub, a metabolic crossroads or something that handles all that conversion.
That's a great way to picture it. There really is.
Well, today, in this deep dive, we're going to really get into that. We're focusing on two key players, acetyl CoA and the TCA cycle.
The big ones for energy metabolism.
Yeah, our mission here is basically to give you a kind of shortcut to understanding just how incredibly efficient your body is at turning pretty much anything you consume.
Sugars, fats,
E-
proteins.
Even alcohol, apparently, into energy. Hopefully you'll have a few aha moments about this, well, this really fundamental process humming away inside you.
Absolutely. And acetyl CoA, it's fascinating stuff. It's not just, a simple connector. It's genuinely a high energy molecule itself.
High energy. How so?
Well, it has this very specific chemical feature called a thioester bond. Think of it like a tightly coiled spring, basically, packed with potential energy.
Okay, like it's ready to snap.
Exactly. And that specific bond, that's not just a minor detail, it's the core of its power. When your body breaks that thioester bond, pop, it releases a really significant chunk of energy.
Ah, I see. And that released energy then goes on to power other things.
Precisely. It fuels countless other vital reactions throughout your body. It's a key energy currency in that sense.
So it's like this little packet of high-octane fuel. And what really got me is, you mentioned it's not just made one way.
Not at all.
Your body can make this stuff from, what, like 5 different starting points? That adaptability seems, well, incredible.
It really is. It speaks volumes about metabolic flexibility. If you think about what we eat, acetyl CoA ties it all together.
Okay, so walk us through that. Where does it come from?
All right. Well, first, pyruvate. That's the end product when your body breaks down carbohydrates. So bread, pasta, sugar, that ends up as pyruvate, which can then become acetyl CoA.
Okay, carbs, check. What else?
Then you've got the carbon skeletons of several amino acids. So parts of the proteins you eat can also be channeled into making acetyl CoA.
Right, so protein too. Fascinating.
Then there's beta oxidation. That's the process for breaking down fatty acids, systematically dismantling fats to get energy. And fats, as you can imagine, are a huge source of acetyl CoA.
Makes sense. Carbs, proteins, fats, the big three.
Yeah.
But you also mentioned alcohol. That one still feels a bit surprising.
Yeah, it does seem counterintuitive sometimes, doesn't it?
What does it tell us? That the body will take energy from anywhere it can.
Well, essentially, yes. Alcohol metabolism, it goes through steps involving acetaldehyde and then acetate, and that acetate can be converted to acetyl CoA.
Okay, and there was a fifth one.
Ah, yes. Ketone bodies. These are interesting. When your tissues outside the liver think brain, muscles metabolize ketone bodies, they actually generate 2 molecules of acetyl CoA from each one.
Wow, double payoff there.
Mm-hmm.